Jogging club.
Yeah, money didn't.
The entire video.
Are they?
I have no idea. And no question will be son. The fans, the players he met, the memories, the trophies, and then the park Nankasano Ujina, so the Anfield pitch crowd, he paid glowing tribute to him. But neither Brendan Rodgers or Jurgen Klopp. But no probably do me a Kenny Dalglish or signing.
Kenny Dalglish,
of course.
But Rodgers anyway, no, I'm more
baby. It's quite clear. Jordan was the reason why I not let fact for and say, I'm signing the free, no.
Oh, okay.
See, I'm signing the free. He gets a loyalty bonus. 12 million. Came by 5 crab on the bottom. You've denied him that, and they want 2. It then raises the concern. Sampa Club duly told him, "Say, we born not na me my own mobile said they are born. Obi aba obi too." The easiest way for him to have made a room into England team in Euro 2024 would have been so that so honor a Liverpool captain. It comes with a political weight and clout.
And only DNA
Manchester United captain on the England centre back. Or Tim Chen said they also the neighbor because of a Manchester United captain.
SOMPA Sports.
It's not negotiable.
Now you call Euros now Liverpool captain. Yeah, I'm afraid no. As I'm Kessie pa. But I look as a coach, you know, so Gary said that's all penance and power. I was answer no team decide yes, baby a uni a corner.
So no. So I say a co Bellingham Maba or Mumerason come on. You get the point. Loyalty man na Nkasano. Ujana Msenka Obama player natna. But this deal was done behind him. Until loyalty man club na ni ba ne ho so no na the captain no ko. Until untimi nhye ne boss o tna obebobi. That was the first spot. And then he loses out on the loyalty bonus. I am comma Alitifak for any DM. And until now, Alitifak for the bar bunting say, Omo catch England Central for and say, Omuji this on bit my firing or mess signing on the free. Mutual agreement on calling Liverpool Kasamu de Munje Masomo 12 years. Let's terminate the contract.
SOMPA Sports.
It didn't work out. It just didn't. Sani Riasinete. I mean, this one was or recorded you and I edit it. This officer did Jurgen Klopp baby. It's not difficult for him, but that's the reality. After 12 years, Kwaku, this guy is the only English captain. He won it all as a captain with an English club.
Wow.
Ebinsi
that.
That was Tigran. So Unya Europa League 2016 ne kan ho na all left as captain nka no Emlyn Hughes, but Emlyn Hughes did it with different clubs.
Oh, okay.
But this guy Jurgen Henderson has done it. He's not an exceptionally gifted footballer, but on the attributes are serving well over the period, but his body is declining. Mimi Gidi say the handling of his departure has not been done well. Say video about Bonting. You training a brand club, the old club no cry and say wasn't here or there. And then Henderson as a no be firm the substantive issue no collaboration I mean Jeff Eben and no pay what changes with football players when they move from one area to another. Kwaku anopen komo ayedin and he say football na nkasa na esan sama mo hwe o TV so nintino ade ba kwa TV beti mama na du nya pa ne say football ne boy emre. TV can easily make you think that playing football is an easy thing, but it is not. Mira, me say sisudia, it is not. Football ne boy dey pa. So I been professional footballer da.
SOMPA Sports.
Park number ball so near 2 ball ni bi ma at the speed that pass in the bar. Ubehu so modwuma na edin. And I said the me can say ntiase ni ntimi mmayi na mpese me twene say mo ball. Sorry, efie normal football ni bi. Na mo wo bi o professional footballer o ma. Obo pass na ba ho a ni jedin.
Yeah, who's no edin pa.
Obo na dream mu say wo no o professional on the ball ni ma. Nti this obo be 10 minutes no so we mu na me no mo ball no mo form ti no punch cray was a pass no baby also the pass no to no obeba ma na to ani Mr. So or the better space say kofa na niama na ye din sesi ane say the intellect cognitive ability on football nyansa any adwen abadwen de aye ne apesa wo ye no emre a wo de ye no kwaku less than 3 seconds
there was all the aye the opposite
so na competitive match mu na ball ba ho a so wo dwen any say na me de ball ne be ye say ba me ho no kwaku 3 seconds and nti the broni for the first touch se ball ne ba ho a first control no kwaku se wo anya ni ya de obeye bia no bre nti your players ni bi o first touch no etimi twon ne first touch ne setting up se pass ne nko ha nti se pass ne ko benkum a first touch no orge no na ball ne ba beto ne na benkum no so ama ne dia pass ball nti players ni bi o ha ball ne se ne boso na orge a na no na Zakaria Fuseni e ka chem se chest control ne o mbe for yeah bibia na ne ye ka adana na me ni di nkomo wo phone so no a check akra kwaku ye o de e wo se orge ball no na ebe to wa weni chest control no nti also oma ogigida ne body nim na to ne bo no so a empie kwaku ye o de egide ya block ansa na ball ne beba ne bo no so no ento ne bo no so no na o se na chi ni muscles na yedin nti wa ogya na chi no so obo ne mu kra ball ne nko
oh okay
ene e o de egide pass wa hu se ba bi ogina no ball no ntimi nya ho hwe nti also oge ball no na o de pass move kwaku saa ne ma we nyina no wo hwe ne ofi a player na anye ne ya akoya sa papa ne mum se player ni ye ni yi a abo de se na adwuma no na na se de wo mum ko gina park no so se ye bia edin nti ye be pa mo chewa sa football no ne boy edin pa ena emre dodo a also mo di processing information no mo de ye om next move no eno so etia nti Jonathan Wells inverting the pyramid no or say the modern footballer has to be the most intelligent person in his field or he should forget about it. Menka say intelligence in say football and cultural exams, chemistry, geography no pass there be. Nemo ball no ye wa adwen e de bo so wunnim nyansa ne boy edin. Wa hu so obi gina na chi. Wa free pass. Ball ne ba ya defender na e be no beji. Okobi mu o mo na emrom ye from the instep. Ball ne ba ha otimi the guide ball ni say na adanu no way defender na film
ai Iniesta na za
kwaku sa de ne ye nkyere natural intuition Ghana how akora bi oni ball bia no na chede they only develop it they hone it ntinye se obi na ko kyere ne say ball ba ye say no intuition ntie say nyansa ne say ball ne ba ho a de ne ba wa dwum na no na enra Aston Villa
yes
ebo against Fulham then they gave us an opportunity to see things from the perspective of the footballer. Now, in this video, you better the position of Yuri Tillemans. Some of my video now, you man microphones with a camera, and a Tillemans ebe bobo nibi. Now, what that you can name me say 4-5 minutes. Look, this is what I intend.
SOMPA Sports.
Ubet medium matem. Ubet maka the perform because all the wakuma. Ene di ball nechi na emum kakra yenso ebetima ka cho ne se omadwuma no edin pa and the pace of football is fast the entire boys no ko amuntimi mo na no ha no ball na ba no afi na odwen se me de be den e no pese ogina ball no so eye bibi ene ball bia na egina so kwaku ball ni nya maye na se wadwen se sei na me be e ba ye na amane nko se ogina so bebi ba ba gi ball na film se be kasa wo nya de. So look at the amount of time the Yuri Tillemans na afa ball. Ball ne ba ne wow de quick he has to move again. Tillemans elbow ball he was man of the match. So yeah, Yuri Tillemans was man of the match in this game. Nemum this camera angle chro ball ne ba Tillemans wa hwe. On more than 3 touches. Kwaku manenko. Na oje ball ni bia ne be say nipa e ben no. Wo de ball ne ba ne ho bia hwe. Wo won say Newcastle ni bi ben no. Anthony Gordon enam we Tillemans dinechi we dwane na aba be pebble ni biabo aba Tillemans so quickly you see there's somebody there until I was you have to decide under 5 split seconds ke 5 ball no dey heading kwaku uma 5 na 3 be Jeffery sem coach Beka say oh say na adwuma midfielders no omo ball na emienu your destroyers and your constructors and your one destroyers are constructing Otimi bench as a defensive midfielder be say amount for moves. All the ball no man no so na timi e kire say man nko ha into obetimi to pass bi enya assist but TV no say akwa we on dem go ni buy because that ball no boy no etimi yi nipa be 5 and 6 a free position bim Tillemans now no abon the ball one leg ta ba be duru ha komuna akunyina gwaku ono kra ne nche ball no na kwa mensa akwa trials.
SOMPA Sports.
Professional football has become very difficult now. Very, very difficult. Both in offensive and defensive transitions. It's quite clear. Say, yem krani denti omo struggle no eni enebo no ye nyina gina so e na me kwaku abro so 4 seconds. So they we ball ne ban wa na man nko na asem o yaba. Ene ya Jeffery ni sem. Na ball ni new hoso a oye de. That is the second part of the discussion, Jeff. Hanu the onim ball born here the ball no kra no no twetwe. Akwa we pass, akwa we ball.
Yeah, on my ball no e di agro. Ye pese agina ball no so nya botreche. O twin so e bon semam. So there's here. But evolve no say more scientific and then we need to transform from the way we are been playing the past and here at the scientific base and the football is very quick. Attack can be about intelligence. Look, Maka. The major problem facing our league and most of our players are not football intelligence. Maybe more crap about 1%.
101%.
Yeah, and that is the danger. That is why Atta almost come to because you see the way our football no baby and the players maybe say they are not even coached, their talent are not on, they are not being prepared for that. And Senegal players, that's what they are doing. What are the academies? The people who are behind the academies are people who are more established at the top level of Europe. And he almost show how they prepare you for takeoff in Europe. The year had the year were quite big breakthrough. These are basic things we need to start. A share size every baby. I said, yes, I don't mean you should name a social every baby. And yes, sir,
yeah, baby.
On the transfer window, on African players or movie.
Yes.
The transfer window. African players or movie. How about Ghana?
Ghana, they on TV.
SOMPA Sports.
Free agent Dino Akusiama we
Okopak or share ball. One kasa o share baller ye ball mean call Europe. Would you share Africa? Share near clubs here or Champions League. Next share players one. Next share the level. Next share your football intelligence. And your technical ability. Next share say you gap one gap in him.
Gap on baby.
And a honor assembling in our the players gone club, they don't even know what to do. Them Abu Ukopak Premier one my comment will be or Jibor on him your
fine.
The attacker, I bet you jump on so bet 2-3 minutes. Aye. 2-3 minutes. So there's here. And so a major area that the federation must take a critical look at. And yes, sir, a better worse than before. Now the problem is not talent, no. There be okabi about honing.
SOMPA Sports.
Ese di kan enhancing ni akola no wo no esa developing ye no nye gifted and then competitive. Eho no gap wo. Eho no ye need plan for it. And so player no enye se wakofa player ke so di abati won be bobo ma wo. Niema obeye wo player no ama player no one obenya ho faso. Nyame aduma no asan ton no nyamfa. Oboma no nyamfa so. O ton no so nyamfa so. But unfortunately there is a reality we
SOMPA
face.
Sports.
And without the ball, you are supposed to Pep Guardiola or Barcelona in 3 seconds. Without the ball, 3 seconds. Aha. And that ball no cry to Pepe Subia. Yeah, the Nema become movies. Eka yeah, the movies are air war movies. Coaches be extra players ahead of the game. Say, go and swamp them. I'm sure movie new year. And it's not
the war movies in
it's not just about it's not just about even the
SOMPA
tactics.
Sports.
You was suban being near maybe Obia or the name Kundu or first of the Rima or my place, then you had 10 minutes to go and conquer the opponent. So there's a lot of that. We have decades, but we can start from somewhere. Maybe the DBA can say, near Chumutim, Sisi Anobona a serious multi-billion-dollar business. A dear Namone year too. Your league, how many times don't say attach ball pass? How many times don't say
3 seconds, your ball pass 3 seconds.
They BNC.
So that's a big problem. Even our league, our top flight league, Ghana, how many times do you see that? It means coaches saying anything.
I'm on your money, maybe. But also, still as a local coach, you don't use old method, no. It was the last time Refi, a professional player be any team come on. Things they be the all cremon for no. Grand John Chi. And I know one. Near Dean come on or can't something about a coach India. BBPS I know can something about training na your modern man players near woman on them more you know. I say Hano. It me ana be the two face car. Do abuna player no or could training no more money yeah. You say I don't crowd here thought I want Indians so on the name. But I know almost said that nyene ayi bia but o make them so man who's a born.
How many of your coaches?
Omuni born na David be hard here
so a big chop problem now if your coaches now more hano mo dodo na nim sa one minute training players or Premier Division one minute training players or Division 1 and so a better also but that is where like once again federation but because that's a federation but technical director now said there is to observe sad deficit no deficiencies no I yeah call your bobo nyina niema sinton e wo coaches niema ne yemu maybe so at the end of the season technical director I invite Premier League coach Division League coach among seminar based on what he has watched in the season enye adipapa
Dabi
afi
Dabi
those are the issues because technical director was said there back no season be we no you call the head coaches based on omo bobo nyina wo hwe and the niema ofo say etosin and the coaching methods aba baby near matches one e wo fem compared to near ban na foforo aba no na o chiro mo every year we review omo games you watch some of the games my team that's why I think a technical directorate who coaches who hold our best assign you to the Premier League so sometimes you sit by you watch some of the game one cuz I come watch it and at the end of the season then you make sure so when a sinto ebia warm up crowd share warm up beer assistant coach there enyenye kra how do they improve upon that proper warm up here and saying ni nyina season be wia now I make it but unfortunately technical director book launch Niema is good but these are the basic ones are on a daily basis one you coaches no season say baba September starting league this is one suen bibia mfim na osanko ye ne bru back no so why mo na ha mo these are players I bomb pass that chi number bo ha omansanko bo amoni your national team be from but a lot of them entimin do some person because Niema ye chro mo ene kwan de omo fa so no ntiti de omo fa so no emwa and so on your problem no SOMPA and near who say we've not even started providing solution we've not it doesn't make sense for a technical director to be in a country your ball league away and nothing is being done to
of coaches in you
no but I'm not can't say Frebby I'm saying that he has a technical director he's supposed to ensure that coaches every season he's to have a seminar reviewing Niema across in the course of the city that's why it's a directory so he has report be on so share collectively Niema being okay we share one saying tactics system be crowd coaches no be background for you that is why he's the technical director he's supposed to give technical direction what he has here but we don't concern we end up